Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, April the 9th, and we are going to be doing lesson 7, which is the story Cowtails, King of the Trail.
Oh, come on.
All right, so if you're looking in your packet, it would be on page 68 in your packet, and you see the title page. It says Cowtails, King of the Trail. Now you'll notice that the word tails and trail almost rhyme. Now, if trails would have had an S, then tails and trails would have rhymed. Okay, so let's go ahead and start our story. It says Claire's hard feet slide on the rocks. She is so tired. She and the other cows have walked on the trail for weeks. They still have many, many miles to go. No, Claire says. She sits. Now, why do you think she's sitting? Okay, if you look on the end of the first line, it says she is so tired. She is tired because she has been walking for many miles. It says for weeks. So that's a good cause and effect there. She is tired because she's been traveling so long and her feet hurt. A large bull stops. He is the leader of the cows. They call him the king. A small dog named Lady stops next to the king. Her job is to keep the cows moving. Why did we stop? The dog asked. So he's asking why did they stop, because they were not moving. The king says, "This cow stopped." "That's Claire," says Lady. "She does not listen. She does what she wants. She should start moving." The king stands next to Claire. He looks into her eyes. "You must move now." "No," Claire says. "This trail is too long. The rocks hurt my feet." Just then a map blows in the wind. Claire looks at the map. She points to the end of the trail. "Is that a field?" she asks. "Yes, it is a field with sweet, soft grass," the king says. Claire thinks about the field. It would be nice to walk on that soft grass. Okay, now here we have the cow, Claire, and you have the bull, who is the leader of the cows. Now, and they're talking back and forth, and here it shows Claire reading a map and thinking about the soft green grass. Now, with this information, do you think this story is a fictional story? That means that it's not real? Or do you think it's nonfiction that's giving us facts and information? That is correct. This is a fictional story. It is a fantasy because this could never happen in real life, because cows do not communicate by talking. The king says one more. "I have changed my mind, Claire. Don't get up," he says. "Why not?" Claire asks. She seems mad. "Why not?" Lady asks. She seems unhappy. "We need to keep going." So now the bull wanted her to move, and then he changed his mind and said, "Don't get up," to just stay. So I wonder why he's doing that. So let's find out. "You should stay, Claire," says the king. "Then I can have your grass and mine. Please sit longer." "No," Claire says. She gets up. "My feet are rested now." The king smiles. Lady smiles. The cows keep going on their long trip. Oh, so I think he was trying to trick her. He was trying to trick her into staying so he could have her grass. So let's look at the questions. Question number 1. Who is Claire? A person, a horse, or a cow? Now, if you'll look above, it does show you where to look to find that answer. So those are some good things that you have there. You may not always have those with questions. Question number 2. Think about the text. Which picture shows the leader of the cows? So your key words here are leader of the cows. And which one is that? Question number 3. What does Lady say about Claire? Claire will not move on the rocks. Claire cannot go on such a long trail. Claire does not follow directions. Now, so think about this question and look at page 3 of the passage to find your text evidence. Question number 4. What does the king want Claire to do? Complete the sentence. The king wants Claire to move, stop, rest. Now this would be on page 3 of the passage. Now at the beginning of the story, he wants her to do one thing, and then by the end, he tells her to do something different. So make sure you look at page 3 of the passage for that answer. Question 5. Why does Claire like the field? There is good food. The grass is soft. The wind blows there. So look at page 4 of your passage for that answer. Question number 6. What does the king tell Claire to do now? Get up, stay sitting, feel less angry. Question number 7. Why does the king smile? Claire gives him grass. Claire needs rest. Claire stands up. You will find your detail on page 6. Question number 8. Look at what happens in the beginning and the middle of the story. What happens at the end? Choose the picture. Here you have Claire sitting and resting in the beginning. Then she looks at the map, and then she sees the grass at the end of the trail. And then what happens last? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson for today. I hope you guys have a great day.